Hello there and happy holidays. I just wanted to pop in to say, wow, what a crappy year it's been, really, on the most part for all of us. And I'm smiling now, but I won't lie, it's been hard, as it progresses on, and especially at the holidays and not knowing if I'm going to see my own family outside of, my circle. So I can appreciate that you may be feeling the same way. But 2021 is a new year. The vaccines are coming. And I just wanted to give a little bit of Christmas cheer and to thank you for being here with me along for the ride. I really appreciate you. I appreciate, just having this connection and being able to share with you what I do, whether it's design, coaching, however I help you in any way. I hope that I do. That's always important to me. And I hope that you manage to have some time with your loved ones, and even if sometimes it's by Skype or by Zoom that we have to do that, I feel your pain, and hopefully this time next year it will be much different and much more back to normal. Whatever normal is. I mean, normal's not that fun really, but I think you get my drift. Anyway, so thank you so much. I hope you have a fabulous holiday season and lots of exciting stuff coming for the new year. As always, I have a couple events where I'm speaking at, so if you're a designer, there's a couple events there that you'll be interested in. If you're following me on Instagram or Facebook or even here, then I will make sure that I send out notifications for that. And I've got new YouTube videos coming out, color reviews, but also showing you how I put together fabrics. You can see a little bit here. This is actually from my own home, my own basement. But I want to show more of like how we actually put it together. How do I put together, come up with a design for a client and put together fabrics and colors and hardwood and different things to consider for our project. So lots of exciting stuff to look forward to. I know 2021, the sun is going to shine more, and I'm wishing you and your family a safe, happy holiday season. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.